Critical reasoning questions are one of the three types of questions that constitute the verbal section of the GMAT. Usually, you will need to deal with about 14 critical reasoning problems on test day. The main purpose of critical reasoning questions is to test your logic and reasoning skills. You will have to identify the main point of an argument, determine the assumptions of an argument, draw appropriate conclusions from the facts given, make parallels relevant to the situations presented, find the weak and strong points of an argument, and detect flaws in logic. Although there are several varieties of critical reasoning questions, they all have the same structure. It consists of an argument, a question stem, and 5 answer choices. The argument is a short passage presented at the beginning of every critical reasoning question. An argument can deal with any subject in any field, but you do not need to be familiar with the topic of the argument to analyze its logic. Arguments come from various sources, including scientific articles, political speeches, and newspapers. Some arguments will be presented as formal statements, others will take the form of a debate. The question stem is the question that you will have to answer. The answer choices are the multiple choice options from among which you have to choose your answer. A typical GMAT critical reasoning question looks like this.